This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 6th of May. I'm Michael Groff. The weather this week a bit cooler and somewhat unsettled, especially for the northern half of Arizona, with widely scattered showers and thunderstorms possible most days. What about rain chances here in the valley, and how long do the somewhat cooler temperatures last? Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday. 94 degrees was the high in the valley. It was a pretty warm day out there, but you see, not too far off of where we should be for this time of year, just a couple of degrees above average. Outside right now, here at 10:45 a.m., we've got some high clouds out there. Partly sunny right now, 77 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30, humidity 18%. Winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area right now, mid-70s to lower 80s in most spots. Satellite picture across the southwest. Yes, those are high clouds over much of Arizona, and so that's going to help to filter out some of that sun today and take a little bit of the edge off of the heat. The watch warning map is relatively quiet, although we do have some flash flood watches over parts of Kansas and Missouri. Severe weather outlook for today. A slight risk of severe storms extends from the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles north and eastward through much of Kansas, parts of Nebraska and Iowa, with a marginal risk for some of the adjacent states. A little marginal risk in parts of South Texas and South Florida. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley, a little less than 1/10 of an inch. Although in excess of an inch, maybe even approaching 2 inches in parts of northern Arizona. Again, a rather unsettled pattern is looming, and we'll get into the details of that now as we check out the models. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Got an upper low moving into the southwestern states today. So down at the surface, well, you already know what's going on there. Partly sunny skies, a lot of high clouds around. High temperatures this afternoon, mid to upper 80s. And it will be breezy over northern Arizona, where you could see an isolated shower or thunderstorm there, but here in the valley, we stay dry. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows mainly in the mid-50s to low 60s. And tomorrow, we'll call it mostly sunny. There will be a few high clouds around, and again, breezy conditions. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms over northern Arizona, and high temperatures here in the valley, upper 70s and low 80s, around anywhere from 10 to 13 degrees below normal tomorrow. That looks good. All right, Wednesday, shortwave energy is going to linger around the southwest for the rest of the week, so we'll still call for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in northern Arizona. Here in the valley, we're partly cloudy, we're dry. High temperatures should be back in the low to maybe middle 80s. Thursday, here comes another area of low pressure moving down the eastern periphery of that ridge, and it's just going to kind of hang around here for a while. And depending on which model you look at and which model run we have, some of the models becoming more aggressive with the moisture, so we're going to call it partly sunny in here on Thursday. I think the rain holds off here in the valley, but we will still have that chance for some widely scattered showers across northern Arizona. High temperatures still remain in the mid-80s Thursday. Probably back toward the low 80s, maybe just in the upper 70s to low 80s on Friday, with a chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms here in the valley. Now, again, the rain will be pretty widely spaced and generally on the light side, although if you get under an isolated thunderstorm, the rainfall totals could be a little bit heavier, again, especially over the higher terrain. Saturday, a lot of question marks here. The European really aggressive on moisture advection. The GFS, though, as you see here, still showing widely scattered showers and storms. And again, mainly over northern Arizona, but we still can't rule out one here in the valley. So we're just going to keep going with a 20% chance of rain here. High temperatures somewhere between about 79 and 83. This is the European Saturday, and again, yes, it's more bullish, more aggressive on the moisture, and it is much cooler. The latest deterministic European run has a high of just 68 degrees in here on Saturday. I don't think it's going to be that cool. I think highs, again, are likely more in the upper 70s to low 80 range, but if this solution turns out to verify, yes, it'd be cooler, windy at times, and certainly wetter, but we don't generally look for that here in May. All right, Sunday, we continue this stuck record forecast. Widely scattered showers and storms in northern Arizona, maybe an isolated shower here in the valley. High temperatures remain below average, upper 70s and low 80s. A week from today, this is Monday the 13th, still have low pressure lingering about here across the southwest. And high temperatures would remain below average and maybe somewhat unsettled conditions, although maybe we would start to dry out at this point, but still couldn't rule out a shower or storm completely. Now let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday the 15th. And how about that? A very anomalous trough just off the west coast. We'll watch that feature very carefully. as this is turning out to be a rather interesting start to the month of May. Checking out those temperatures through the period off the GFS Ensemble, and overall, highs are going to remain somewhat below climatological averages, at least through the weekend, possibly into next week. We'll just have to see how that works out. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have a terrific Monday.